So in the fall of 2020, I started Roadmaps, and it's a program that teaches you math that you may have missed in past grades or math that you want to get ahead on. And I know what you're thinking. Ugh, math. That's what I thought too. I hated math, and I mean hated math. I thought it was boring, I thought it was complicated, I thought I was bad at it. So you might be asking, why would I want to do more math? Good question. The truth is, I really didn't. But looking back, I'm actually really happy I did Roadmaps. Let me take you through my journey. So like I said, it started back in the fall of 2020 when I took the diagnostic. The diagnostic is an ungraded test where you just show what you know and what you don't know. Halfway through the first part, I was in tears. I didn't know how to answer a majority of the questions, and that really put me down. But then it was explained to me that it's really not a graded test. The questions on the diagnostic get harder and harder as you go along, and it's even purposely designed for you to get some right but a lot wrong. I had never taken a test like this before, and it really made me feel like I didn't know math. But the test works like this so that the program knows exactly where you are in math. After this all was explained to me, I went back to the test and just skipped and even guessed on the questions I had no idea how to answer. Trust me, this is what you're supposed to do. Once I finished taking the diagnostic, I received my roadmap. Let me show you what it looks like.
As you can see, all the skills in blue are the skills that I learned in previous grades that I need to know to learn 7th grade math. For example, adding integers and multiplying fractions are skills I'm going to need to use. The skills in green are the skills that I still needed to learn for 7th grade. Some of the skills are even from previous grades. To learn them, I click on the lesson and it will bring me to a video that teaches me the skill. Once I feel that I've learned the skill, I then take a 5-question assessment. I need to score at least an 80% to pass the assessment, and then I knock off the skill and move on to the next one. Sometimes you might have to take the assessment more than once to complete the skill, but that's totally fine. The beauty of this is that you get to go at your own pace. You also don't need to learn the skill with the video. There's overviews, printouts, and websites. You get to choose whatever you want. Once I've completed a couple skills, I can look at my dashboard to see my progress. All the parts that are shaded in blue are skills that the diagnostic slide learned and remembered. The parts shaded in green are the skills I don't know but Roadmaps taught me. Before they were shaded green, they were blank, and each time I finished a skill, it would slowly fill up. Looking at the dashboard is so fun because I get to view my progress and see what I've completed.
If this doesn't show you how far ahead Roadmaps can get you, let me put it in other words. I have a brother in 10th grade. He's 3 years older than me, and some of the skills I've been working on in my roadmap are the same skills he's been working on in his math class. It's crazy. Math has never been my favorite thing, but now that I am ahead in my math class and I've done roadmaps, it's a lot more enjoyable and easier.